Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, last class, what we discussed actually.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What we discussed last class?
Orthogonal transformation.
Orthogonal transformation. I told you it's not a rule, but strictly I cannot say it's a rule, but you can follow from small eigenvalues to big eigenvalue. In that order only, if you multiply, you have to get. So normalize the matrix NTA, and you will get the diagonalization D. You will get correct? Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can try one problem with you.
So you gave us one problem yesterday before you left.
Done now?
Almost, sir.
What problem I given?
Orthogonal transformation, sir. -8, -6, -2, -6, 7, -4, 2, -4, 3.
Wait. Got it, huh?
So I'm just having a doubt. I don't know if I made a mistake or the question is like this.
Which problem I given?
-8, -6, 2, -6, 7, -4, 2, -4, 3.
8 minus 6, 2 actually, not 1.
Yeah, 2,
Symmetric
sir. 8 -6, 2.
2. Then -6, -7, -4, 2, -4, 3.
See,
What are the eigenvalues?
so I'm having doubt because my determinant value is very high.
Yes, 0. Determinant value is 0.
Yes, sir. 0, 0, 0.
Eigenvalues are 0, 3, 15, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then okay. Eigenvector is, first eigenvector is 1, 2, 2. Now lambda is equal to 3 means 2, 1 minus 2. Lambda is equal to 15 means what? 2 minus 2, 1.
1.
Then do.
Sir,
Yes.
the question paper you gave us, I solved all questions except the Hamilton, the Cayley-Hamilton theorem one, and the last question I did not understand what to do.
Wait, I not completed, Cali and everything. Why are you bother? Don't worry. After I complete, you can do.
Okay.
If I completed, you can do. If I'm not doing this, when I am complete, that you can immediately can do.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Come on, next. Diagonalize the following matrices using an orthogonal transformations. I think this problem we are done. This we have done, I think so. Same problem, correct?
Yes, sir. We have done it.
try this problem.
So we did the first one, so we'll just do second and third one now.
Second, yeah. That just you can take down homework.
Which one should we do now?
No. Homework.
None of them. Okay, homework. So could you move? Thank you, sir.
Where you will implement formula where the limit definition. Sir, copy it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Note down. Every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. Every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation.
Sir, is that characteristic equation?
CH means characteristic equation.
So is it a minus lambda equals to 0?
Yeah. If you put lambda equal to a means it satisfies equation.
Yes, sir.
Now take. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem, hence find its inverse. So means what you will do, take one problem. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem.
So find its eigenvalues and then check
No.
if it's the same.
Not required. Up to characteristic equation only story. No eigenvalues.
Then. You should prove a minus lambda equals to 0, put a equals to lambda I.
Yeah, put lambda equal to a enough.
Yes, sir.
Hence, find the inverse. Verify means what you will do. First listen. A is equal to 1, 0, 3 2, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 1. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Hence means what? Still continue. Hence means what? Using the previous result you can attack. That is called meaning hence. Hence if they give me what? Already existing result you can using it you can attack. Still continue.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please explain the Cayley-Hamilton theorem again? Because my
Wait,
internet
I'll come. Cayley-Hamilton theorem time being you can remember every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. Up to that okay. After that you don't worry. I'll tell you. Now you can write characteristic equation. How you write now? So this what you will get lambda q minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda. Find out who is s1, s2, s3. Tell me first.
So S1 equals to 3, S2 equals to 0, and S3 is equal to
No, sir. What is S1?
3.
So 3.
S2?
0.
No.
Sir, minus
minus
1.
1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 correct. S3?
So minus 9.
Minus 9 correct. So tell me who is S1?
Sir, S1 is 3,
S2?
S2 minus 1, S3 is minus 9.
These are the correct value from the textbook I am telling. I have not done anything. You have to do. That is your work. Now write frame the equation what will give? Lambda cube then minus 3 lambda square
minus lambda
minus lambda
plus 9.
yes
Plus 9.
yeah plus 9 only anything.
Yes, sir.
Now come on and see. Now by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, what I am telling, every matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Put lambda is equal to a enough. By CH theorem, we can write fully by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. By a cube minus 3a square minus a plus 9 into what I want to write. Can I add single number to matrices? A cube is matrices, a square is matrices, a is matrices. So 9 into what I will write? Just can I add 9?
So it's 9i.
That is very, very important. 9i. Now I will get one matrix, guaranteed satisfies. Now what? This by Cayley-Hamilton equation I got the by Cayley-Hamilton theorem I got the equation. Now we can prove find a cube, then a square, then a, then 9i. If we add, you have to get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 by 3 matrix. Then you can say hence verified Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Do fast. Come on. Tell me a cube, a square, a. Fast. Simple way later on, sir. Anyway, what is A cube? Tell me A cube. A into A, you can find A square. First you will get A square. Then A square into A cube will get.
So over. Enter assignment is
First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. What will you get? A square is what?
It's 4 minus 3, 6.
Very good.
3 to 4. 3 to 4.
4. Third row.
0 minus 2, 5.
Very good. Then A cube we can write A into A square or A square into A. Nothing will happen.
Sir, I've got A cube.
What?
Sir, A cube I have got.
A cube,
Yes, sir.
What is the value?
Sir, first row is 4 minus 9, 21.
Wait, I will come. Wait. Mute. Anish, mute over. Anish, mute over mic.
Sir, A cube is 4 minus 9, 21.
Wait. 4.
Minus 9, 21. 11 minus 2, 11.
Super. A3.
And 1 minus 7, 7.
Super, sir. Everything in your hand available or not? Now A cube minus 3 into A square minus A plus 9, you can find out what value you are getting. Tell me. You have to get
Aditya, please stop eating chips.
You check, don't write blindly 0. You have to get actually. 4 minus 12 minus 1 plus 9, 0. Like this.
Yes, sir.
Minus
It's
9
coming
plus
out to
9.
0.
0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Now write, hence verified Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Conclusion, correct? Hence verified. So if they ask to verify means what we have to verify? First you can find characteristic equation, put lambda is equal to A, then find the equation, solve, we have to get 0, verification.
Now we find the inverse of the matrix. Sir.
Yes? Got it?
No, sir. Finding.
Do. Mute. If you don't answer me, just immediately mute your mic. Resound coming. Substitution பண்ணும்போது எப்படி வரும்? இப்போ y is equal to 2t என்ன? dy is equal to 2dt என்ன? But 2 into 2t இருக்குங்க.
2 இருக்கும் சார். அதுதான் நான் சொல்றேன். இது நம்ம மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணலாம். கான்ஸ்டன்ட் இது this into dy கூட எழுதிக்கலாம்.
அதனால எழுதிட்டேன்.
சார் இப்போ இது டைரக்டாவே கேன்சல் ஆகும். இது வெளில வந்துரும். இது மட்டும் சம் கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டா அஸ்யூம் பண்ணிட்டா y is equal to any small y equal to y capital Y in terms of this இது பண்ணா cancel ஆகி capital Y equal to y capital Y equal to
Sir, completed? Hello?
1 minute, sir.
See, you have to, don't copy down blindly, try to do. And the domainers உள்ளே கொள்ளவில்லை, integral and efficiency. வெளியே இருக்கும், அந்த domainers உள்ளே கொள்ளவில்லை. ரொம்ப மீனிங் இருக்கும், உள்ளே இருக்கும்போது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் ரிலேஷன் இருக்கும், வெளியே தெரிஞ்சே லாஸ் சொல்றாங்க இல்லை காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ்ல இருக்கு. Sir, completed. Shalabha?
1 minute, sir.
Huh?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. But tell me after that.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir. Verified.
Done, sir.
Okay. See. So hence verified Cayley-Hamilton theorem you can write. Now, what is another problem? Hence find A inverse is there. Correct or not? Hence find A inverse. Right. To find A inverse, right? Shall I write?
Yes, sir.
A inverse already I know. Determinant of adjoint of a determinant, but don't do. Hence means that using this equation you can find A inverse. So how I will find out from this? Okay, this is the equation I know is equal to 0. Now pre-multiply by, suppose sometimes what they will ask, find A power 4 they will ask. A power 4 means what? Pre-multiply by A. A inverse means what? Pre-multiply by A inverse. This is true always, I know. This is true always, I know. So what I want to find A inverse what? Pre multiplied by pre degree what is your now what is your qualification? You people are what qualified up to what degree you are qualified? What standard?
12th standard, sir.
pass.
Well, that is
HSC.
called pre graduation. Post graduation means
After graduation.
after graduation. So pre multiplied by A inverse. Draw this equation and multiply A inverse. A inverse into 0 is equal to 0. That is not a simple 0, that is a matrix, null matrix actually. 0, 0, 0, like 3 by 3 0 matrix. Now, suppose if they ask A power 4 means what you will do? Pre-multiply by A. Right or wrong?
Sir.
If they ask, suppose if they ask to hence find A power 4 means what you will do? Pre-multiply by A. If they ask that is what A power 5 means what? Pre-multiply by A square. What they are asking, according to that you can adjust from this equation. From characteristic equation you can adjust. Now what you will get, tell me?
So A square minus
Very
3A
good.
A square I
Minus 3A
minus
9
I
plus 9A
9
inverse.
A inverse.
0. Correct? Now from this A inverse is equal to what? Minus 1 by 9 into. Are you agree?
yes sir.
Already in your hand A square is there, A is there, I is there. Just simplify it, right? Then A inverse you can find out again.
So I found out, so can you check if it's correct?
Tell me. Wait. Tell me.
1 by minus 9 into the matrix I'm telling you.
Minus
0,
1 by
0.
9. Don't say 1 by minus 9. It's awkward. Minus 1 by 9.
Okay, minus 1 by 9 into
Ah.
0, 0 minus 9.
Tapu. Wrong.
Wrong. Huh?
Yes.
Sir, it's minus 1 by 9, 0, minus 3, minus 3,
Very
and
good.
minus
Absolutely
3,
correct. Wait.
minus,
10-second row.
minus 3, minus 2, 7,
Ah,
and then minus 3, 1 and 1.
1. Very good. Who are you?
Sir,
Arshit
Harshit
Jain.
Jain.
Very good. Super, sir. Now do all of you try. Take 5 minutes. After that, I will write. இப்போ அந்த மாதிரி சிலிண்டர் எல்லாம் பண்ண வந்துடும் சும்மா சைட் லைன் பண்ண அதெல்லாம் வந்துடும் இன்டிகிரேஷன் தான் இருக்குது இதெல்லாம் நைஸாக வரும் அதுதான் சொல்லுவேன். இதே நான் பண்ணக்கூடாது சார் 4-5 டேஸ் நீங்க தான் பண்ணணும் நானே பண்றேன் சார் கம்ப்ளீட்டட் Can I write answer? Don't copy down blindly. You have to do. Suppose if you copy down also, again you can try. Same result you are getting or not.
Done, sir. Getting the answer.
Same answer, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Yes,
you,
sir.
those who
Same
are
answer.
not getting,
Yes,
don't
sir.
worry. Try, you will get just plus minus only. Try yourself.
Some
Don't.
mistake I made, sir. I'm not sure where I'm going wrong.
That's why you can
First
again
row-
check. That element
First
you
row I'm
can check.
getting -9.
Then you can multiply that. First row and third column multiply and see. All elements you can check.
So one element is going wrong, sir.
Yeah, check again. In mathematics, finding mistake also very tough.
Done, sir.
Okay, yeah. This is the way. Next. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem, hence find inverse. Characteristic equation will get. Do homework. If you want, I will do A inverse answer.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Right. This is the answer. Tell me what you want.
Sir, about attendance.
Tell me.
Attendance, sir.
Tell me what you want.
So the class ends at 4, na? Could you please check attendance?
Oh, you want to me take attendance,
Yes, sir.
You have another class,
Actually, I'm not. I'm
I am
my
also having
schedule.
class here. Morning onwards, I am taking this 5th class again. 4:05 to 4:55 I have class. Okay, I will take. Up to here clear. Okay, you can do homework. Another problem I will do.
Yes, sir.
Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Hence find A to the power of 4.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
For the previous question which you've given, can you read out the A inverse answer? It's a bit blurred for me.
What?
The A inverse answer which you've written 1 by 35 minus 4. Can you read that matrix out?
What?
Sir, please read the matrix out once. I can't see it. It's
4,
blurred.
11 minus 5
4, 11 minus 5. Yes, sir.
minus 1 minus 6, 25. 6,
Okay,
1
sir.
minus 10.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Give attendance 71,
Yes, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76, 76. Suppose if anyone put chat box, me tell me my laptop is away from me. 76, 77,
Present, sir.
78,
Present, sir.
79,
Present, sir.
80,
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82, 82, 83,
Present, sir.
84, 84 absent, 85,
Present, sir.
86, 87, 86 absent, 87,
Present, sir.
88, absent, 89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
88%.
Present, sir.
92,
Sir, 88%.
88 present, 92, 92, mic problem, 93,
Present, sir.
92, now you are telling I am calling 93, 93?
93 present, sir.
You are 93, ah?
Yes, sir,
92.
I'm right.
Sir, 94 present.
92.
Sir, not there, sir.
92 not there. 94 present. 95?
Present, sir.
96? 96 option. 97?
Present, sir.
98?
Present, sir.
99? Absent. 99.
99 present.
98 present. 100? Absent. 101?
Present, sir.
102?
Present, sir.
103?
Present, sir.
104? Present, sir. 104 there, huh? 104?
Sir, present.
Okay. 105?
Present, sir.
106? 106 not there. 107? 107? 108?
Present, sir.
109?
Present, sir.
110? 110? 111? 110 absent.
Present, sir.
110 left the meeting.
12?
So 110 is present, sir. I think he just left the meeting right now.
Okay,
He's having
okay.
some problem.
110 is there. Huh? Okay, okay. 111 is there. 112?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. 110 is present.
Okay. 112? 112 absent. 113?
Present, sir.
113 is last number, I think so. Next. 107 present. Chat box. Okay, next. 1?
Present, sir.
2?
Present, sir.
3?
Present, sir.
4?
Sir, 106 present, sir. Actually, my mic was not working.
Okay, okay.
Present, sir. 4.
5?
Present, sir.
6?
Present, sir.
7?
Present, sir.
8?
Present, sir.
7, 8, 9? 109? Absent. 110?
9 present.
9 present. 110?
Present, sir.
111?
Present, sir.
112?
Present, sir.
113? 12, sorry. 12, 13?
Present, sir.
14? 15? 16?
Present, sir.
17? 17? Present. Hey, what sir you are sending? Don't send the message, sir. You have to tell. 18? Don't tell Mike.
Present, sir. 18.
With Mike
18
off,
present.
how can you attend the classes? 18 present. 19?
Present, sir.
20?
Present, sir.
21 is not there, I think so. 21 not there. 22?
Present, sir.
Huh?
Present, sir. 22.
23?
Present, sir.
24?
Present, sir.
25?
Present, sir.
26?
Present, sir.
27 not there. 28?
Present, sir.
Any number is there last? 28 last number, I think so. 29 is there, huh? No. Okay.
Sir,
Then you can leave,
also,
sir.
yesterday was my first day, so whatever I have missed, where can I find those lectures?
There I applied it in playlist EC actually in our classroom playlist actually one playlist.
Okay, the one on YouTube.
Yeah, now our classes also there separately matrices chapter is there. You can
Okay.
see if you don't understand you can call and separately you can ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
First you can see that actually.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I was having a lot of net issue today. Can you please send the